Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, Apple Industry Analyst Ming Chico shared Apple plans of next 3 years. Apple is going to launch foldable iPhone as well. Before talking about the foldable iPhone, I will talk about the iPhone 13 which is coming. Viewers, if you talk about specifically iPhone 13, there is no much difference in the size. Apple will release 4 models of iPhone 13 of the same size as they released iPhone 12. But there is some additional upgrades in the Pro models only, and one upgrade that we can expect is that its large battery in iPhone 13 Pro model Apple is going to use, and because of this large battery, these Pro models going to be a slightly heavier as compared to the iPhone 12 Pro models. Except this, there is some upgrade in the camera ultra wide lens as well, and we can expect that Apple will iPhone 13 will release on 120 hertz refresh rate. These were the news and upgrade that we can expect from Apple in iPhone 13. If you talk about the foldable iPhone, Ming Chico shared that right now Apple is facing a production issue in the foldable iPhone, but we can expect that this year in 2021 Apple will fix these production issues, and first foldable iPhone we can expect in 2 years. In 2023 we can expect as early as possible in 2023 first foldable iPhone. Let's see, it will be interesting to see when they will release, and we can expect that they will release it as earlier, but Ming Chico is a great analyst. So far he shared authentic news. Let's see, I will keep you updated. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.